This is a quick introduction to Theme 8 on Pipebots, looking at system knowledge generation and end user engagement. The Theme 8 team is based at the University of Sheffield and Birmingham. The team has a background in buried infrastructure with strong links to the water industry. Professor Simon Tate and Nicole Midger lead the theme, with Dr. Alma Skellar and Professor J.B. Vauxhall as co-investigators. Doctors Will Shepherd and Lewis McCarner are the research staff employed in Theme 8. We aim to recruit at least one PhD student to extend our research. There are almost 1 million kilometres of buried water supply and sewerage pipes in the UK. As shown in the chart, these span a broad range of ages. Over many years, the network operators and technologies for data storage have changed, so records are now often incomplete. Also, the features above ground, such as roads and pavements, have changed since the pipes were laid, so it's often not possible to exactly locate the pipes. This means that work takes longer and causes more disruption than will be desired. Buried pipes are also difficult and expensive to survey, so water utilities have very limited knowledge about the condition of their pipes. They know that some pipes are in poor condition, but not which pipes. So the water industry predominantly reacts to pipes when they fail. It would be more cost effective and less disruptive if it were possible to identify pipes close to failure and to then repair or replace them before they fail. Pipebots aims to provide technologies to collect data which will enable buried pipes to be managed proactively. The environment in which water utilities and their pipes operate is not static. Climate change and population growth increase pressures on pipe networks. Legislation, particularly on leakage and environmental discharges, also affects the priorities of water utilities. We are working with the water industry to determine where and how they can get the most benefit from robotic inspection. The teams building the robots are experts in their areas of work, but not necessarily in buried pipes. Theme 8 is therefore identifying the important features of pipe networks so that the robotic systems are designed appropriately. We also have a key role to facilitate the testing and validation of the robots and the associated technologies to ensure they meet the water industry's needs. Pipebots will potentially create vast quantities of data. We will investigate how this data can be used to enable the water utilities to operate their networks more efficiently and cost effectively. Theme 8 have been developing challenge specifications to guide the development of Pipebots. These challenges look at the identification of blockages in sewers, the mapping of pipes, locating leaks in water distribution networks, and monitoring the condition of both the water supply and sewerage networks. We are working with the other themes to collect data to demonstrate the performance of the robots. The Integrated Civil and Infrastructure Research Centre, or ICARE, at the University of Sheffield, is a key facility for testing in controlled and repeatable conditions. The results of this testing will be written up as reports and academic papers. Algorithms and concepts for transforming the vast quantities of pervasive data into actionable knowledge will be developed. Throughout the project, we are sharing information and outputs with the water industry, regulators and other stakeholders through the publication of papers, presenting at conferences and holding workshops.